Welcome to Real World AIP. I'm Stacy and I have a super exciting ingredient highlight for you today. These are not the same as plantains. I used to think the words were used interchangeably, you know, oh yeah, green banana, they're talking about plantain. No, the green banana is the potato of the Caribbean. It is not the same as plantain. It is nowhere near a ripe yellow banana. It is the same exact thing as the bananas well, good old Chiquita bananas that you find in your regular, normal grocery store. The bananas are shipped to them unripe and green because if they didn't do it that way, they'd go bad before they ever got to you. So anyway, you can usually find green bananas, and these are the closest thing to a white potato. If you like white potatoes, you will love these. I'm like, why is nobody showing green bananas love? So basically you use these in savory dishes like you would a white potato. And because the starches in it haven't broken down into sugar, it's gonna digest way more slowly, it's gonna leave you fuller longer, it's better for your blood sugar, great source of resistant starch, also potassium. What to do with these? Make mashed potatoes, and that would be my recommendation. You can make potato salad, perfect potato salad. You can use these mashed for a shepherd's pie topping. You can make chips out of these, like fried chips. You can bake these. Let's stand these up against a plantain so you can see the slight differences, because they do look a lot alike. I mean, and they're related, but they're not the same. Here we have one a little bit beat up green plantain. Now let's hold them up together. So usually plantains are bigger, but in this case they're their exact same size because these are little plantains I got, but you can still see a difference, mainly that on the ends and the ridges. Plantains have more ridges than the green bananas, and they have this long stemmy thing on both sides. It's more, you just see it more. The banana tends to close itself off. I could pretty much tell a plantain from a banana based on these ridges and the two ends. The easiest way to tell a green banana from a plantain was look at the sticker on the bin. Plantain's gonna be your glue. It has more hardening properties. I wouldn't try making tortillas or like polenta with this. This is your white potato. So first, I'm gonna show you how to boil these. Super, super easy. You don't have to take them out of the skin. You can boil these or you can use your Instant Pot. Just set it to manual, 20 minutes. Cut the ends off, kind of score it like, you know, just like we do with the plantains. Maybe 1/8 of an inch in, just so that can pop right off. Ta-da! Just gonna boil these for 20 minutes. So start time in 20 minutes after the water starts boiling. So these have been boiling for 20 minutes. And as you can see, the skin just comes right off, just like that. Now these are ready to mash into mashed potatoes or any other number of fabulous things. Let me show you how to store these if you wanna freeze some of the raw green bananas to use later. So if you're going to be using these to make like a alcapodia dough, or you want them raw for whatever reason, we can freeze them raw. But we're going to have to take them out of the skin while they're raw, so it's not quite as easy as boiling them. You start the process the same way by chopping the ends off. You want to do that same scoring thing. This time you got to get in there and just kind of work that skin off. There you go. You just continue like that. Kind of like doing stuff like this. It's therapeutic. It's like gardening or anything else. Knitting. There you have it. We can freeze this for later. You can also make flour out of this. Slice it thin, dehydrate it until it's completely dried out, grind it in your coffee grinder, and you have green banana flour. They sell this stuff on Amazon. It's way cheaper to make it yourself if you have the time and the inclination. Put these in the freezer, and then you can pull them out when you're ready to make your alcapodia dough or your pasteles, or you just decide you want some mashed green banana with your dinner. When you try this, you're going to thank me. I just know it. My new favorite ingredient. And they're cheap and they're easy to find. So yeah, I'm really excited about these. Anyway, be on the lookout for some upcoming videos on how to make authentic Puerto Rican alcapurrias and pasteles. If If you like this video, subscribe below so you don't miss my future videos. I post every Thursday. I hope to see you soon, and until then, be healthy.